Hi guys, Dylan here, and today I'm going to show you my Boost mobile phone. I already set up it. Here's my unboxing. Oh, and the same thing. Let's get started here. So the specs are 6.5 HD plus display, 13/2 2MP main / 5MP front camera, 32 gigs RAM, 3 gigs of RAM, 2 gigahertz processor, and 5,000 milliamp battery. Cool. Let's see what's inside here. Here we go. Picture there. Let's open this up. When I got home that day, I just ripped it open. Okay. With this whole USB-C to USB-C for your eardrum mounts. Comes with a built-in SIM card and SIM card tool. You can use the SIM card. You can use that little SIM card tool. There we got the little SIM card tool. And we got the phone here. As you can see, I got Boost Mobile running. Oh, it just opened the iPhone launcher. I forgot about that. Touch ID, Face ID, pretty neat. Okay, let's start unboxing. First up, USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's go check this out. My cell phone here. Wait. Here. Now let's go to system. We need to go to data management. We have to go to manage screenshots and videos. Let's just check the computer via USB connection. Connected to the computer. Gallery always. Okay, let's check this out. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, there it is, Nintendo Switch. Let's see what shows up. Import. These are all the photos. So yep, the USB-C to USB-C connection does work. Look, we're running Super Mario All-Stars out of here. Pretty neat. Got the home screen for the Switch. Got the black. Pretty neat. Look. I can actually show you that I'm actually tethering it. Let's watch this. And disconnected from the computer. What else we have is SIM card, etc. You want to see the SIM card? Let's go out and see. Shush, I'm trying to make a YouTube video. There we go. No SIM card inserted. As you can see, here's our white SIM card. This is Boost Mobile's. Boost mobile. Recognizable. Make sure my data didn't automatically turn on. Nope, data did not turn on. Just making sure. Wait. Well, let me go back to show you the default launcher. The default launcher is better. I'm actually change the default home app now. Okay, here we go, fixing this launcher here. Let's change the home screen here on your iPhone. There may be an iPhone pop-up. Nope. That's perfect. We don't have Bixby, sadly.